on this video today, I'm going to show you how you can make over $200 per day on Cpagrip as a complete beginner without any skills and without any experience. As you can see on my dashboard, this is the amount that I've made today, $279.23, and you can see the statistics right here. I got 793 views. You can see 234 clicks. You can see right here 56 leads, and you can see the amount that I've made right here. So now let me show you the payment that I've received into my Pioneer account. You can see right here, this is my Pioneer account. You can see this is my balance, $3,683.84. You can see it right here. I have been receiving payment from Cpagrip into my Pioneer account. As you can see the balance right here. So now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to show you step by step on how you can also earn money on this platform as a complete beginner. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I'll show you everything that you need to know. So now let's get into the detail. The first step is that you have to create a Cpagrip account. Once you create your accounts and log in, what you have to do is that you have to come right here. Once you're here, click on offer tools. Once you click on offer tools, click on my offers. Once you click on my offers, you are going to see a page like this. So now what you have to do is that you have to find an offer that you can promote to earn money on this platform. You can see these are all offers that you can promote to earn money on Cpagrip. As you can see, a whole lot of them. CPA offers, they are country specific. So what you have to do is that you have to select a specific country that you want to promote the offers. Once you select the country, you have to find traffic in that country so that you can promote the offer to people in that country so that they will take the action for you to make money. In this video, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to be selecting Australia. So just search for Australia right here. Once you search for it, you can see it right here. Just click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to see a page like this. So now what you have to do is that you have to find an offer that you can promote. Make sure you find an offer that has a higher payout. So you have to scroll down and then look through all the offers so that you can find the one that you like. As you can see, there are many offers. As you can see right here, this offer has the highest payout. You can see right here, the payout is $13.69. So anytime you get a lead, you are going to be earning this amount right here. You can see the requirement is that your potential visitors have to enter a pin. Once they submit the pin to stand the chance of winning Amazon gift card, you are going to be earning this amount right here. You can see the offer is allowed on Android. It is allowed on Apple iOS. It is allowed on desktop, as you can see it right here. So now what you have to do is that you have to get your affiliate link. To get your affiliate link, just click on the name of the offer. Once you click on the offer, you're going to see a page like this. As you can see, these are the details of the offer. You can see this is the description. Enter your mobile number now for a chance to win. That is the description, and you can see the title of the offer right here. You can see this is an image of the offer. This is your affiliate link, so you have to get people to click on this particular link and then complete the offer for you to make money. If you want, you can change the domain to any domain that you want. As you can see, there are many domains that you can choose. So once that is done, you have to just click right here, copy link, so that you can copy your affiliate link and then begin to promote it. Once you get to know the details of the offer, the next step is that we have to find a traffic source so that we can get people from Australia to click on this particular link and then enter their mobile numbers to stand the chance of winning $500 Amazon gift card so that we can earn $13.69. So we have to get the traffic from Australia so that they can complete the offer. So once we get the people, if they enter their mobile numbers, whether they win the gift card or not, we are still going to be paid $13.69. The most important thing is that they should enter their mobile numbers to stand the chance of winning the offer. Our duty as an affiliate is to drive traffic to the offer so that people can then take the action for us to earn an affiliate commission. The next step is that you are going to come on this website, noviclick.com. On this website, we can advertise our affiliate link and then get people from Australia to click on our link and then complete the offer for us to make money. One good thing I like about this website is that their pricing is very low, so you can get traffic at a cheap cost so that you can be making money without incurring a lot of costs. So what you have to do is that you have to create an account so that you can begin using this platform. To create an account, you are going to click right here, register. Once you click on register, you are going to enter your name, last name, your email address, password, confirm your password, and you are going to tell them where you heard about them. In this case, you are going to select YouTube. There is no YouTube, so just select any of them. Once that is done, you are going to click right here, I agree with the terms and conditions. Once that is done, click I'm not a robot so that you can create your free accounts. Once you create your accounts and log in, you are going to see a page like this. As you can see, everything is 00. You can see everything. So now what you have to do is that you have to deposit money into your accounts so that you can begin advertising on this platform. To deposit money into your accounts, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, found your account, so just click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to select your payment method. You can see different payment methods that you can use. You can see they have PayPal, you can see you can use a credit card, you can see wire transfer, you can see BitPay, Capitalist, and then many others. So what you have to do is that you have to select your payment method. Once you select your payment method, you can see the minimum deposit is $50, so you can enter $50 to try the platform. Once you earn profit, you can begin to choose the higher amount. You can see many options. So once you select the option that you want, just click right here, I agree with the terms and conditions. Once that is done, just click on proceed with payment so that you can deposit money into your accounts. Once you deposit money into your accounts, the next step is that you have to create a campaign. To create a campaign, just click right here, campaigns. Once you click on campaigns, you are going to create a campaign, so just click right here, create campaign. Once you click on that, you are going to select the ad format. So you can see different ad formats that you can select. You can see pop under traffic, push traffic, in-page push, you can see PVTOS. So whatever that you want, you can select that. In this case, I'm going to select in-page push, so just click on it. Once you select that, you are going to scroll down. You can see right here URL, so you are going to paste your affiliate link right here. Once you select the ad format, the next step is that you are going to enter your URL right here. So this is where you are going to paste your affiliate link. So just come back on Cpagrip and then click right here, copy link. Once you copy your link, you are going to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once you paste your affiliate link, the next step is that you are going to scroll down. You can see right here categories. In this case, we are going to leave it with mainstream and then deselect adult because we don't need adult traffic. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. You can see right here countries, so you are going to select a country right here. Just click right here so that you can select the country where the offer is allowed. In this case, the offer is allowed in Australia, so what you have to do is that you have to search for Australia. You can see it right here, the offer is allowed in Australia. You can see it right here. Just search for Australia. In this case, let's search for Australia right here. You can see Australia, just click on it to select it. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. You can see right here creative, so you are going to upload images of the offer, the title of your offer, and the description. So you have to come back on Cpagrip, right click on the image. Once you right click on the image, you are going to select save image as, so that you can save the image onto your device. Once that is done, you are going to click on save so that you can save the image. Once you save the image, you are going to click right here upload icon. Once you click on that, select your image and then click on open. Once you select the image, you can see the image has been uploaded. Once that is done, you can see image, so just click on upload image so that you can upload the same image. So just select your image, click on open so that the image can be uploaded. You can see the image has been uploaded right here. The next step is that you are going to enter the title of the offer. So just come back on Cpagrip and then highlight and copy the title of the offer. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once you paste the title, the next step is that you are going to paste the description right here. So just come back on Cpagrip, highlight and then copy the description of the offer. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once you enter your creative, the next step is that you are going to scroll down. You can see special targeting. So if you want to target a specific device, you can just select that. So let's click on it and then select the device. In this case, the offer is allowed on mobile, it is allowed on tablet, so just select that. As you can see, that has been done. Once you select the special targeting, the next step is that you're going to scroll. You can see operating system, so just click on it. You can see if you want all Android, you can select that. If you don't want that, you have to leave it like this. In this case, you are going to select all Android. Once that is done, you are going to select iOS. As you can see, that has been done. Once you select the operating system, the next step is that you are going to select the browsers. In this case, there's no restriction, so you are going to leave it. Once that is done, you can see mobile carriers, there's no restriction, so just leave it. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. You can see right here budget and byte, so you have to select the pricing model. In this case, it is CPC, cost per click. We are going to leave it like this, so anytime you get people to click on our link, we are going to pay per click. Once that is done, you are going to select the daily budget. So enter the amount that you want to spend per day. In this case, you can see the minimum is $10, so just select $10. If you want, you can increase it or you can decrease it, so just leave it like this. Once that is done, you can see the byte, that is the amount that you are going to pay per every click. You can see it right here. So you can see the average one, so just select any of them that you want. This is the top byte, and you can see this is the average byte. So in this case, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to enter my own byte. So just click on it and then select the byte that you want. So in this case, I'm going to select 4. I think that is very low, so let me just enter 8. Okay, I think that is okay. You can see right here, you have top byte. You will receive most of the traffic available. So this is the byte. If you want, you can reduce it or you can increase it. It depends on whatever that you want. Once you select the byte, the next step is that you are going to scroll down. You can see time targeting. If you don't want your ad to be shown in specific days of the week, you can select that. If you want your ad to be shown throughout the week, just select everything. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you can see right here optimization. You can see blacklist. If you want to blacklist a website, you can just click on it and then blacklist any website that you want. You can see enter the site ID and then that site is going to be blacklisted. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. You can see right here, I declare and guarantee that my campaign meets the quality guidelines. Your campaign will be reviewed within 24 hours and will start directly after approval. So we are going to declare that our ad has met all the quality guidelines. Once that is done, you are going to create your campaign. So just click right here, create campaign, so that your campaign can be created. There is one more field that we forgot, the campaign name. So just enter your campaign name right here. You can just say Amazon gift card, or you can just type any name that you want. That is just the name of our campaign. Once you enter the name, let's click on create campaign so that our campaign can be created. As you can see, the campaign has been created. You can see it right here. It is pending approval. You can see it right here. So once it gets approved, if you have funds in your accounts, you are going to be getting traffic to your affiliate link. Once you get the traffic, some people are going to enter their mobile numbers to stand the chance of winning the Amazon gift card, so that you can be earning $13.69 per every person that you get. CPA offers, they don't require you to get sales, they only require you to get leads. So make sure you keep on advertising on this platform so that you can get a lot of people to click on your link and then enter their mobile number, so that you can be earning a lot of money using this particular website. So that is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.